Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best bar patio tables that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Ketter 7.5 Gal Cool Bar Patio Table. Whether you are looking for a stylish accent table or a fancy yet functional accessory for parties, the Ketter Patio Table has it all. Coming in a compact design, this table is built to fit into even the smallest deck, yard, or patio. If you have a large patio, you can also pair it with a couch or bar stool from each site and enjoy unmatched comfort. To keep your party going, this cooler table keeps your drinks perfectly chilled for more than 12 hours. Moreover, this tabletop rises from 22 inches to 33 inches and locks into place to suit your need. Another cool feature is that it converts back into a compact coffee or cocktail table that you can use indoors. Cleaning is also a breeze thanks to the inbuilt drainage plug. What's more, having been made from durable and weatherproof materials, you don't have to worry about using this table outdoors. At number 4, YITAHOME 3-in-1 Cool Bar. The retractable desktop has two heights of 23 and 32 inches, and the humanized adjustment design meets the needs of daily life. 3-in-1 design combines cooler, cocktail table and coffee table. Indulge in the coolness and party anytime, anywhere. 9.8 gallons of storage capacity, can hold all your champagne, drinks or beer. Add ice cubes to refrigerate for several hours. There is a drain plug at the bottom, so melted ice and water can be easily drained at the end of the party. It is made of durable resin with attractive wood-like texture. Wood look goes with any patio furniture decor. Simple and stylish, easy to install. Integrated design. Very easy to install. You will complete it in a few minutes. At number 3, SereneLife Outdoor Bar Cooler Table. The SereneLife Patio Cooler Table has enough space to store your beverages. The lid elevates 10 inches above the rim for use as a cocktail table. With 7.5-gallon beverage storage capacity and can handle up to 40 PCs of 12 ounces. Cans with ice. The rattan ice cooler can keep your drinks cold and cool for up to 12 hours, which greatly enables you and your guests to enjoy good and cool drinks. Height of the lid can be adjusted to bring you convenience for storing, taking drinks out. Features quick and easy assembly. Just need to lift the lid and turn the locking knob to secure the tabletop. It also has a built-in drain hole. Saves effort for you to clean it and brings convenience for you to drain water drinks or ice left. Made out of all-weather resistant resin with an appealing rattan look texture. The overall height of the top of the bar table rises steadily from 22 inches to 32 inches and locks into place. It has a weight capacity of 110 pounds. At number 2, Ketter Ice Cube Beer and Wine Cooler Table. Designed to be both practical and attractive, the Ice Cube storage cooler features square construction and a natural brown rattan finish that allows it to blend in with just about any outdoor living style. This versatile deck box doubles as a drink cooler, providing additional space for drinks and snacks when summertime guests come to visit. Whether you're storing drinks or patio accessories, with built-in handles, the Ice Cube is easy to move around no matter where you need it. Open the top to reveal the cooler that can keep your drinks ice cold. Just add ice and it is all set. Because the Ketter cooler is made from plastic resin, it's weather resistant and holds up to the elements no matter the season. Finally, at number 1, Ketter Cool Bar Table with Legs. Designed for people who are looking for something that brings more modernity than simple wicker and rattan design, you will love the fact that it still manages to retain a large ice bucket. Overall, this cool bar table is more stylish and more cutting edge, adding a modern dash of sophistication to your backyard. It's time to take your summer entertainment to the next level. Made from durable weather-resistant materials, using this table outdoors doesn't have to be a problem. The ice bucket also comes in a double wall construction to ensure that your drinks stay chilled for longer. More importantly, This table converts from an elegant coffee table during the day to a sleek beer table at night. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.